Welcome to Protsahini Education Studio. Length, mass or weight. Capacity, time. Today we discuss length, mass or weight, capacity, time. Can you say with me? Length, mass or weight, capacity, time. This is 22nd video. Now we go on to the topic. Now first, measurement. Basic unit. We will learn first basics. Now you can see here length. Now first we will measure length with meters. So that meter short form is yam. Now mass. Now mass and weight. Now mass and weight we will measure with grams. So that gram short form is G. Now capacity and volume. Capacity and volume are both liquids, so that we will measure with liters, so that it is short form is L. Now time and second. Now time and second. Now short form of second is S. Now we go on to the next slide. Now length, meters, short form is M. Now we discussed first one, that is length, meters. Meter short form is M. Now length are measured using millimeters, short form is M, and centimeter short form is cm, and meters short form is m, and kilometers short form is km. Now millimeters, centimeters, meters and kilometers. Now 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeters. Now 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters. Now 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. Now we go on to the next slide. Mass, weight, gram. Gram short form is G. This is our topic now, that is second one. Now mass or weight of an object is measured using milligrams, grams and kilograms. Now milligram short form is mg, and gram short form is g, and kilogram short form is kg. Now 1 gram is equals to 1000 milligram, and 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 gram, and 1 ton is equals to 100,000 kg. That means kilogram. Now capacity and value is liters. Liter short form is L. Now capacity is measured using milliliters, liters and kiloliters. The short forms of them is for milliliters is ml, and liters is L, and kiloliters is KL. Now 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliters. Now 1 kiloliter is equals to 1000 liters. Now we go on to the next slide. The next one is time, second. The second short form is S. Now what is time and second? Now we will see. Now time is measured in seconds, minutes, hours. Now second short form is S, and minute short form is MIN, and hour short form is H. Now large duration are measured in day, week, months, years, decades, century, etc. Now 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes, and 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. We will end the chapter. Now, thank you for watching. If you like the content, like, share and subscribe now.